Welcome, my loves. We're going to jump right into this tutorial with a little bit of hydration. Next up is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Foundation in shade LG6. This foundation is also a concealer. It has a doe foot applicator and a pump dispenser. Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in shade C6. A little Jeffree Star Magic Star Translucent Powder. Now, since I've set my foundation with powder, I'm going to use a powder to contour. This is the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, contouring my cheekbones, my jowls, and my nose. Using that same Jeffree Star powder, I'm going to bake right under my nostrils and my laugh lines. Using that same NYX palette, I'm actually going to contour the crease of my eyes. Brushing away that bake with a nice fluffy brush. Right about now is when I noticed that my shame is exposed for all to see. Yes, that's a little hickey. I was nibbled upon. And moving right along, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade. This is shade medium brown. I use my heaviest strokes on the outer edges of my eyebrow, and on the inner portion I try to extend my brow in toward my nose a little bit using a very, very light hand. This product is very highly pigmented, so your hand motions are very, very important. This part is really fun. I'm using the Urban Decay Brow Blade in dark Drapes, and it has a very, very fine point, as you can see there, and I'm just creating some little hair brush strokes, if you will. Strong, full brows are in style right now. I'm really enjoying this e.l.f. Wow Brow. It's kind of like a gel, and it holds the little hairs in place. Applying a little concealer and powder to my vampire bite. Some rosy blush. This is BH Cosmetics Classic Blush Palette. You guys, my lights are so bright, but I wish you could see how sparkly this Jeffree Star Highlighter Diamond Wet is. It's just magnificent. We'll apply it to the high points of my cheekbones, but I also really love to apply it to the inner corner of my eye and also my brow bone. And after I spent all that time contouring my nose, you want to make sure that you highlight your work. Now the signature wing with NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner is the focal point of this look. Now, I've been painting wings on my eyes for so long. They rarely come out identical on both sides, which can be frustrating. What I do is I'll take a break, then I'll come back and make the necessary adjustments. Super soft Gabriel lip liner in wine. It could be Gabriel, but I'm going with Gabriel. I've been on an e.l.f. kick lately. This is the matte lip color in wine. I really enjoy this, but I'm glad that I'm doing the voiceover the day after because this product does leave a little pink sort of tint on your lips. e.l.f. Earth and Ocean palette. What I'm going to do is take this dark shade Trenches and I'm going to deepen the outer corner of my crease for a really sultry effect. Wispy Ardell Lashes cut in half, and I'm going to apply them with the PÜR Cosmetics Eyelash Glue right to the outer corners of my eye. This was one of Marilyn Monroe's little beauty tricks. Milk Kush Mascara. And finally, this is Physician Formula 24 Karat Gold Collagen Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching my little tutorial of sorts today. This is basically my go-to Not-So-Incognito pinup glam look that I love to do on a regular basis. And I hope you found it somewhat entertaining and interesting. And I hope maybe you try some of these products that I used. I love them so, so, so much. Enjoy your morning, afternoon, or evening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.